Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our Be Aware channel, and this is our video on fluid simulation. So we have already created a series on fluid simulation where we have explained about fluid entities and fluid objects. Starting from generators, we have covered tanks and all these stuffs which you are able to see in this line. So all the elements which you see in this line are already been covered in the videos available at our channel. So go there, visit our channel and watch the playlist on fluid simulation. It will greatly help you understanding and creating fluid simulation and object entities. Now let us understand in this today's video what is fluid splitter. Okay, what are the advantages, applications, its properties and lot many other stuffs. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Be aware, do like our video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment your views in the comment section below. Okay, we really appreciate your efforts in commenting and subscribing to our channel, so that we can bring you valuable educational content just at our Be Aware channel. So here if you could look at now, let us say I have an application in fluid system where from this pipe I need to transfer the material to two different tanks. So the ratio, so the name itself implies that I need to split the fluid into two different options. So if I need to split the fluid, say in a ratio of 70:30, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this fluid splitter available here in the fluid system. So you need to just drag it out here, and when you drag it out here, you're going to get this fluid splitter here. Okay, so now I'm just rotating this to the view we wanted, and here is your fluid splitter. Okay, now when I double click this fluid splitter, you might be able to see the properties of the fluid splitter. So here it is: input ports, output ports, maximum content. All these details are similar to whatever elements we have for fluid. Percentage splitter, if you look at here, it is not showing anything as of. When we go in the trigger, and then we have here, all these are the different properties and the stuffs or fluid splitter. Okay, now let us understand how to use it. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a connection from this pipe to the fluid splitter, and then from fluid splitter to the tanks. Okay, so now let us make a connection to these two entities. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a show connection, and then let us make a connection here, a connection here, and a connection here. And now I'm just removing this, and now you could see the properties of this fluid splitter might have been added. So when we go in the percentage, we have port 1, we have port 2. Let us give this as 70:30. So 70% will go to port 1, 30% will go to port 2. Now let us add this ingredient as HH and this as KK. Okay, now if you look at this percentage, the splitter thing, the properties are going to be the same. The reads and stuffs are going to put in same. If you want to understand this in detail, you can come in here. So percentages, you look in here. Okay, now you see here 70:30 is the splitter percentage. Now if I just reset and run this model, you might be able to see the splitting happening here. So here is our things coming in. You see here it is by 11 parts, and here you see 6 parts. So the splitting starts taking place as per the percentages you have mentioned, because the port 1 is our fluid tank 3 and port 2 is our fluid tank 4. So it will be happening in this fashion. Okay, now if you see, it will be sending 70% to this tank, 30% to this tank. I am running this faster so that our tank of 100 capacity will be filled, and you can see what is going to happen next. Now when the tank gets full, okay, and the material comes in popping in, so you see here 30% keeps on going inside. Okay, that is onto the another area. And if you could look at this, is what is happening here. Just the 100 is full, so my fluid splitter is getting full now. Okay, and it also does not transfer to the another tank. Okay, so this is the significance of fluid transfer. If any of your port gets closed, the 70% now cannot go to this tank because this tank is full. 30% also does not go into that. Okay, at it is, and then it starts getting piled up into this fluid splitter, and you can see the indicator of this getting full. Now it means that fluid splitter is also filled with the quantity of 100. Now this quantity you can specify here. This is the maximum content which can be stored in this. You can have this as 1 liter, you can have this as 2 liter, whatever you want. But now this will be what it will be looking like. Now I'll just reset and run this, so that if you could look in the another motion, our current capacity we have changed to 1, so the parts into this will always be 1. So this is the significance of the fluid splitter, guys. I hope you would have liked this video, understood about the fluid splitter and how to use the fluid splitters into the fluid simulation. I hope you would have also understand what is the significance of fluid splitter, why we need to use it, and the stuffs related to it. So this is all about fluid splitter, and this is our video on fluid splitter. Thanks for watching this video till end. Let us meet in another grand interesting video on our Be Aware channel. Until then, I will suggest you to watch our website beawarechannel.com for exciting stuffs. Thank you. So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support. Then we provide you industrial engineering training. Then we have lectures for you, and then we have vlogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students, for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs, so you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought your personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for, managing your finances so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background, So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can, explore our content, where we share our, views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the, best to the class blogs available, ranging from, simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website, behaviorchannel.com, to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are, dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here and ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is, an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple, things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.